Hi everyone, my name is Abiyakin Lukman. We would like to share with you guys today one of the core concepts of blockchain, which is wallet. A wallet is a software program in which it allows users to store, send, and receive digital tokens such as cryptocurrencies, token, and NFT. And we have different types of wallets. We have custodian wallet and non-custodian wallet. A custodian wallet is a type of wallet in which a third party manage the digital assets of a user and the private key itself. Example of a custodian wallet are like Coinbase, Binance, and Bybit. The second one is non-custodian wallet. Non-custodian wallet, in this type of wallet, a user manages and owns his own private keys and digital assets. It controls it by himself. The example of this type of wallets are like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and the likes.
We have different type of wallets. We have the non-deterministic wallet and we have the deterministic wallet. For the non-deterministic wallet in the Ethereum blockchain, for instance, it is something that it's obsolete at the moment because from the word non-deterministic, when you generate your private key, you generate it randomly, and your public key also, you generate it also randomly. So there is no correlation between both. But in deterministic wallet, there is a particular, you generate your keys from what we call a seed. And the seed is what given to the parent and from the parent, because it is hierarchical from the seed to the parents, to the children, and to the grandchildren. Let's say, for instance, my father gave birth to me, and in the future, I'll be giving birth to my kids. It is possible for someone to trace my DNA, or should I say generation, down to my father. It's the same thing we have for the deterministic wallet, where from a particular seed, you can get all the keys that is attached to the seed. That is the way it's being generated.
Here are the components of creating an Ethereum wallet account. So the first one, we look at the private and the public key pair. Okay, so from my colleagues before, we know that private keys are used to sign transactions, while public keys are used to receive funds. Then another key component is mnemonics. Mnemonics phrase actually is a 12 to 14 word phrase, okay, which is used to back up and also restore the wallet, in the sense that is essential for recovering the wallet when a private key is being lost, or So another key component is address generation. Wallet address is generated from public key, okay, which is used by others to send funds to the Ethereum account. So I will just tell us a little security process and best practices of creating an Ethereum account. Number one, keep your private key secure, okay? Do not disclose your private key to anyone, because how will I put it, is the key component of your account. And then number two, keep your backup mnemonics. In this sense, keep it secure, basically by writing it on a piece of paper and then keep it secure. Don't store it on the cloud. Why number three, beware of phishing, in the sense that be careful of the platform you interact with.
So do well to follow us on all our social medias, like, follow, and share.